Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 9. Chapter number 9 and the chapter name is Pattern and Symmetry. Chapter name is Patterns and Symmetry. So, what are the learning objects? Today we will learn about some patterns, types of patterns and symmetry. Okay class, let's do it. Make a pattern with some students standing in a line. Okay. Some students standing in a line holding hands. Okay. They are standing holding hands. Should we add another boy or a girl to complete the pattern? Class, firstly observe the pattern. Girl, boy, boy, girl, girl, boy. Now the girl is alone. The girl is alone. So we have to, if we do not complete the pattern, would girl standing at the end feel left out? अगर हम कंप्लीट कैसे करेंगे इस पैटर्न को? यहाँ पर एक बॉय को खड़ा करेंगे. ओके, फिर हमारा जो पैटर्न होगा वो कंप्लीट होगा. गर्ल बॉय, बॉय गर्ल, गर्ल बॉय, गर्ल बॉय. ओके, नाउ वाई और वाई नोट, हमें यहाँ पर एक बॉय को खड़ा नाउ खड़ा करना चाहिए. ओके क्लास, तब हमारा पैटर्न क्या होगा? कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, नाउ कंप्लीट द पैटर्न्स. स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल. ऑब्जर्व द पैटर्न एंड राइट. फर्स्टली स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल. नाउ स्क्वायर ट्राइंगल एंड स्क्वायर. ओके, सर्कल rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle and rectangle. Okay, now class, patterns. Patterns can be explained as a group, okay, of numbers, group of numbers, shapes, designs, letters, etc. Okay, patterns can be explained as a group of numbers, shapes, designs, and letters, etc. Okay, that repeats again and again. Patterns क्या होता है? Repeat होते हैं again and again. Like यहाँ पर आपने square rectangle repeated देखा था in a repeated form. So patterns repeats again and again. We see patterns everywhere. We see patterns everywhere. हम patterns को हर जगह देखते हैं. Okay, such as on sarees, साड़ी पे देखा होगा आपने, carpets, window grills, and rangoli, etc. In nature, we find patterns on leaves, also flowers, butterfly, animals, birds, and so on. Okay, some patterns are there. See, butterfly also here. Now, students, boost your mind. Pattern is an interesting part of mathematics. Pattern क्या होता है? Interesting part होता है mathematics का. Okay, now types of patterns. Patterns are of the following types. Patterns of shape like circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square and triangle. Okay. Now patterns of design. This. Okay. Now we can complete it. We can make this pattern also. Okay, now patterns of letters A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F. Okay, A, 3 times B, 3 times C, 3 times D. You can write 3 times E, F. Okay, now patterns of direction. Class, right, down, left, up, right, down, up. You can write, complete the pattern also. Okay. Now numbers pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are odd number pattern. So we will write here all odd numbers and these are even numbers. So number of patterns. Now Come on, exercise 9.1. Draw 3 more images to complete the pattern. Triangle, circle, triangle, 2 circle, triangle, 2 circle, and again triangle. Okay. Now triangle, down triangle, up triangle, down triangle, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now symmetry class. Symmetry exists everywhere around us. Symmetry exists everywhere around us. हमारे साथ हर जगह होती है symmetry. A shape has symmetry when one half of the shape is exactly like the other half. जब किसी shape का a shape has symmetry when जब half of the shape exactly like other half. Suppose this is circle और हमने इसके symmetry किया. Symmetry ये कब होगी? जब उसका half और ये half exactly like the other half उसकी जैसा same होगा. Line of symmetry is the line which divides the shape into two exact halves. Okay. For example, flower, egg, triangle, apple. Now look at the picture with the line of symmetry. Okay class, it is the line of symmetry. So see, this is the half look like the other half. Okay. Now like this A triangle and this shape also. Now boost your mind. Line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal or diagonal. The line of symmetry आप कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Vertical, horizontal, कैसे. Okay. As your wish. Exercise 9.2. Draw the line of symmetry to divide the shapes into two exact halves. You can draw the line like this and like this. And like this. Okay class? Yes class. Your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.